Hello once again. Today we are looking at question 3005. Count elements with maximum frequency. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Return the total frequencies of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. The frequency of an element is the number of occurrences of that element in the array. Okay, so based on example 1, it seems like you just count up all the elements and then you see whichever occurs the most. So it would be 1 and 2. They both occur twice. And then you add them all up to get 4. And then for example 2, they all occur once. So you add them all up and then you get 5. So the idea of the solution is to count all the occurrences, oh my god, I can't spell, in a dictionary. You count them all up and you put them in the dictionary, and then you find the maximum frequency, and then after you find the maximum frequency, you want to only get the keys with that value, with the value equal to the maximum frequency, and then you add, or instead of adding, it would be value times length of keys. So in example 1, the maximum value was 2, and it would be multiplied by the length of keys, which was just 1 and 2, so it's 2 times 2 equals 4. And then this would be O of n solution, because we have to count all the occurrences. And then find maximum frequency. Yeah, so it would be O of n. So in Python, we could just use counter nums, and then we need to find the max value. So it would be max c dot values. And then we need to get the keys with the value equals max frequency. Okay, so we'll just do a list comprehension for key value in C, key if V equals max. And then find the max value, get the keys with the value, and then return value times length of L. Hopefully that works. Cannot unpack non-iterable int object. Oh, it's items, I think. Okay. Well, that was so weird. Apologies for that. Okay, awesome. Thanks. I will see you tomorrow.